Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this sum. This sum says find the edge using graphical approach and find minimum cost path. So you have to find the minimum cost path using the graphical approach of this image and you have to find the edge. Okay, so the main formula that we use over here is this: max minus LHS minus RHS. Okay, so let us see how we go about it. Step 1, let RHS be P, let LHS be Q. Well, this is not actually required, it is okay. So what you actually need to do is you need to assume all the edges that are possible with this particular image. So this is standard. This is the first. Suppose you take this as the first edge. Consider this as the first edge. So when you consider this as the first edge, what formula for cost you have to use is maximum. The maximum of this is 7. 7 minus 2 minus 2. Now why 2 minus 2? This is the left hand side. So always it will be left hand side minus right hand side. Means all the numbers to the left of the edge will come over here and to the right of the edge will come over here with a minus sign. So what the formula becomes is 7. 7 because it was maximum. Now this is not right left anything, this is just because it is maximum. So if 7 would be here, still there would be 7 over here. So 7 minus what is in the left, that is 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 gives you 7. Next you will have to consider this. So 7 minus 2 minus 7. 7 minus 2 minus 7, because first you considered this, next you are considering this. 2 minus 7, so that gives you the value. Next 7 minus 0 minus 1. 7 minus 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. Then you add all this, you get the cost of this particular path. Similarly, do the same for a different path. Say this was my first assumed edge, my second assumed edge will be like this. So here what will happen is 7 maximum minus left, that is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, so that is 7. Next, now you did this, now you are going over here. So when you are going over here, you need to consider this also. So now this is my left hand side, right? So what is going to happen is 7 minus left hand side. This is left to the path, basically left to the path. So this is 7 minus 2 because this is to the left. 7 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next you went here, now you have to go do this. So this is 7 minus 7 minus 7, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 7 minus 5, so that is 5. Next 7 minus 1 minus 5. Next consider this edge. So similarly it is 7 minus 2 minus 2. 7 minus 2 minus 2. Afterwards this. So that is 7 minus 7 minus 2. 7 minus 7 minus 2. Next this edge. 7 minus 7 minus 5. 7 minus 7 minus 5. Now this edge. 7 minus 7 minus 1. 7 minus 7 minus 1. Next this. 7 minus 0 minus 1. 7 minus 0 minus 1, that is 8. You add all of this, you get an answer. That is the cost of this particular edge. You repeat the same procedure with taking all the edges taking into the consideration. So I've tried this, I've tried this, I've tried this. Now next edge that can be possible is this. Same thing, left minus right. 7 minus 2 minus 2. 7 minus 2 minus 7. 7 minus 1 minus 7. Now don't get confused over here. This is the left side of the path. So always left side of the path minus the right side of the path. So 7 minus 1 minus 7. Next 7 minus 1 minus 5. Add all this up, you get the cost of this path. Next uh, so here you can see a pattern. One, then this you go like this, then you went like this, and you went like this. So next what we did is, you took this as a edge, now take this as an edge. So now this is a edge. Repeat the same thing. 7 minus 2 minus 7, 7 minus 7 minus 5, 7 minus 1 minus 5. Add all this up, you get the cost. Now this is possible. So here you can see this is like something analogous to this. So 7 minus 2 minus 7, 7 minus 2 minus 7, left hand side minus right hand side, 7 minus 2 minus 7 for this, 7 minus 2 minus 7 for this, 7 minus 1 minus 5 for this. Now I skipped this path, so this will be 7 minus 2 minus 7. So this 7 minus 2 minus 7 is for this path. You add them up, you get the total. Next, consider this path. 7 minus 2 minus 7, 7 minus 2 minus 7, 7 minus 2 minus 7, 7 minus 0 minus 1. You add this up, you get this cost. So this you can see is somewhat analogous to this. Next, 7 minus 2 minus 7, 7 minus 7 minus 5, 7 minus 7 minus 1. This here I have written here. 7 minus 0 minus 1. You add this up, you get the total cost. So these are the 8 possible edges that are possible with the 3x3 image. Next, what you have to do is you have to see which is the minimum of all the cost. This is 27, this is 25, this is 23, this is 43, 25, 44, 60, 28. So I can see the minimum is over here 23 with this edge. So that is my answer. So this edge is the required edge and the minimum cost path is 23 over here. So in this way we can solve this sum. Always remember left to the path, that is left hand side minus right hand side, and consider all the edges. You just need to remember these designs. So you remember these four, one like this, like this, like this, then this is just the mirror image of these. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.